Hi friends, it's Miss Dina. We're going on a field trip. I want you to tell me where you think we are. This says West Morristown Coin Laundromat. So let's go inside. This is a laundromat. What do you think we do at the laundromat? Yes, we wash clothes. So this is a washer. This is a big washer. You can see how big it is inside. You can wash sheets and blankets. Yes. You put your money in right here. It costs 25 cents. That is 1/4. So put it in the hole, and then you push the buttons once you make your selection, and you hit the start button. And then it goes around and around. Do you remember a story about a bear that we read that went around and around and around? Yes, it was Corduroy. He went round and around and around, didn't he? And he got all wet. So they have all kinds of washers. Here are more washers. And here's some that you might see like at your house, except you have to put money in them. Right here. Your money goes right here. And then you pick your choices. And again, you hit the green start button. This one says out of order. What do you think that means? Yes, that means it doesn't work. These are more washers and more washers and more washers. And here you can fold your clothes on the tables. There's even a sink. Remember how the boy in our story, Wash and Dry, had to wash the delicates? So there's even a sink if you need to wash delicate clothes. And back here we have another wall of washers. And then here we have all kinds of dryers. So what do you think our first step is to washing our clothes? The first step would be to sort our clothes, right? Remember in our story, we talked about sorting the dark clothes, and then sorting the light clothes, and then sorting the delicate clothes so that our clothes wouldn't change colors. And then they put them in the washer, and they put, what did they put in the washer? Yes, they put soap in there, and our soap can be liquid, and sometimes it can be powder soap. So whatever your preference is, it all cleans wash just the same. And then after we're done, what are 2 ways we can dry our clothes? We can hang our clothes to dry, or we can dry them in the dryer. So is our trip to the laundromat. I hope you learned a to the laundromat. I'll see you next time.